Alright, so I have finally received my Nothing phone, which just came right now from Flipkart, and it is indeed looking marvelous. I mean, yeah, and I saw people doing unboxings and everything, and it was pretty sleek, so very nice. I mean, this doesn't feel, the place from where it cuts, this part, it's actually, you can't see it. I mean, it's invisible. Very nice packaging. So as you can see, it's the A63 8GB 128GB model, and yeah, it is manufactured in the month of July, and yeah, it's a mobile phone. And pause here if you want to read the details, but it's essentially made in India. So I'm not going to bore you with the remaining stuff, that you see everywhere. The specs, you already know them. It's 128 variant. That is what's important. And let's go ahead and peel it off. Okay, this has a little bit of force involved. Okay, it does come out nicely though. Oh, quite a bit of pressure is needed to tear this white sticker. Okay, we have done that. Now we are continuing. It's hard to focus because I don't really have a tripod. But yeah, this is like a gorilla pod. Alright, taking care of that. Alright, this is coming off smooth now. So you gotta apply even force. And one more warranty void sticker that's gonna be going out. And did it open? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so it opened. Actually, it did. Let me just pull this apart. Okay. Alright, so this was kind of hard. The warranty void sticker, as you can see, it really got the best out of me. And here inside is some protective packaging. This is plastic, like hard polycarbonate. No, it actually feels like foam. I don't know what it is, to be honest. So, with that aside, let me slide out the phone. Alright, and I'll just slide this out as well. So this part is like really hard shell, so yeah, this won't break. Actually, it is plastic, so I don't know what the heck they were talking about, that this has no carbon footprint and stuff, because this feels like plastic, not gonna lie. And underneath there is styrofoam to protect it. So I'll just do the two things that others do as well. So here is the pill. This is not a pill. This is, if you've been a student in school, this is like a pin that you attach on the wall where you put notes up. And here is the USB cable. It is white. I ordered on the first day itself, so I don't know why I got the black edition but not the black cable. I guess they don't give it out. So yeah, packed nicely. We're not going to use that though, because I have another cable. Alright, and we're gonna take this out. The safety manual, safety information, nothing fancy, nothing else in there. So give it a good shake and boom. Alright, the phone. This is also plastic, but nothing was very insistent they didn't use plastic. So I don't know if I'm the fool or yeah. There is a adhesive which you need to pull out. No pulling out jokes there. That was pretty serious. Alright. Alright, this comes out. I mean, I can whip it out, but there you go, another joke. Just gonna tear that out. Nice and easy. And here is the phone in all its glory. So as you can see, I am recording through a Gorilla Pod, and this is iQOO 7 Legend, the BMW edition, which I have over here, and this is the nothing phone. The glass black, it actually doesn't look bad in person. It looks pretty nice actually. The Glyph lights, very nice, very impressive. The camera, the speaker, I mean not the speaker, the microphone, the LED, and this is the close-up. This is the recording LED. Very nice, very impressive. Feels very nice actually. I mean, the phone that I'm using right now, this phone has curved edges, it has rounded edges, but this feels proper grippy. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it on now. Oh, it has a big power button like an iPhone. Okay, so they weren't kidding when they were saying like they're gonna make the phone like Apple-esque. And okay, is that a scarf? Let me see. No, it's nice. Okay, so turning it on now. Wait, okay, it did turn on. So nothing. Nice pattern. Okay, my phone froze. Alright, so it stopped unfreezing itself. Okay, so it's still booting, as you can see. Pretty reminiscent of the OnePlus, which also had like a red thing. So let me just go ahead and set that up. Hello, connect to a mobile network. I'm gonna skip. Connect to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna skip. Okay, as you can see, we are in Kolkata, baby, and it's 1st Jan. Why is it 1st Jan? No, it isn't 1st Jan. It's not 12 p.m. This one didn't even release on 1st Jan. That's weird. Okay, so everything. Use location, no. Allow scanning, no. Send usage, no. You're not gonna have any of my details, Google. Alright, set a pin. I'm gonna skip. Terms and conditions, I think I have to agree. Nothing data analysis. Okay, I don't want to share that. Alright, the glyphs are in motion. Let's see. No? Too bad. Oh. Okay, next. Still? No? Okay. Alright, gesture navigation and 3 button. So we're gonna do gesture because, yeah, you know, we kind of do that now. Welcome. Still no? Alright, swipe up to start. Alright, let's swipe up. Okay, so that's the phone. This is the wallpaper. Pretty decent, pretty nice. I mean, I have no idea why people were talking about like low brightness. This is 50% brightness and look at it now. Oh my god. Okay, my recording is hanging again. Okay. Alright, so it's back. It's very bright. I don't know what they're talking about. Stop reading specs of a spec sheet, you idiots. Okay, the camera. Okay, while using the app. Let's see. Pretty fast focusing there. Okay, and it has 0.6 and 2. We'll go into a detailed coverage later on. So we're gonna see how the glyphs work, yeah? Let's see, glyphs. Glyph, do you work? Still no, okay. Alright, let me turn on the camera. Let me go here. No, still. How do I set the glyphs, man? Oh yeah, glyph fill lights. Still no? Yeah, baby. Alright, so here we go. Yummy. This looks awesome, man. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna say this. I am pretty impressed with my purchase. I mean, spending 30k on a phone, pretty good nowadays, I guess, with bank offers and stuff. So the lights are awesome, the nothing written, and it doesn't have like those starting 500. It doesn't have those engravings on the side. It's pretty bright. Let me turn off the light and show you. Okay, it does work like a flashlight. You can see it's pretty mellow, but it's pretty nice. Let me focus back. Alright, so turning the lights back on. Well, I gotta say this phone is nice. I will be doing all the updates. I'll be doing setups. Well, I'm not a tech YouTuber, but that was my purchase with my hard-earned money, and yeah, pretty thumbs up from me. So see you in the next one. This is Ari, and nothing. Well, it is definitely not nothing. It is definitely something. Alright, looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye. Oh yeah,